Students, in the week 6 session 4 we are going to see the identification of various program development tools. Coming to the content of this session, in this session we are going to see the various program development tools. So identification of program development tools. What is a program development tool? Let's see. Programming tool is a computer program that translates human instruction to the computer language. Students, this programming tools will also a program which converts human instructions, which we call as a instructions written in the program, which are converted into the computer understandable language. A programming tool is a computer program that the software developers use to create, debug, compile other programs and application. Programming tools like assemblers, compilers and linkers translate a program from human writable and readable source language into the bits and bytes that can be executed by a computer. Students, you should be know that like computer can understand only in the form of bits and bytes that intends zeros and ones. So but human write the program in various languages like assembly language, high level language. So these instruction finally which will be going to convert into the like machine level language, which intends in the form of bits and bytes, which in the form of zeros and ones. So what these programming tools will do, it will convert that human read and write able instructions into the machine language. Students, you can like ask why human cannot write a program in the form of zeros and ones directly in the machine language, but it is possible, but it will be very difficult to write a program in the form of zeros and ones. So what we will do, we will place a software which will help human from converting human understandable instruction, that is a high level language or assembly language, that will be converted into the machine language. So these are our helping tools, like they will act as a barrier between bridge between you program software developers and you the machine. So students, now we will see the various program development tools. The first we are going to see the assembler. Assembler is a software that converts the programs written in assembly language into the machine language. We have various softwares which work as an assembler. We have Keel software which will convert our program written in assembly language into the machine understandable language. Next we have compiler. Students, you have already heard about these softwares. Compiler is a software that converts the program written in high level language into the machine level language. Example for compiler is Turbo C, Keel and Dev C++. These are the softwares available in the market, which you can say they are compilers which converts the high level language into the machine level language. Then we have students linkers. A linker is a program used with a compiler or assembler to provide the links to the libraries needed for an executable programs. Students, linkers, what it will do, it will links the two piece of codes, the program written by you, and there are programs which are already present in the libraries. So what this linker will do, it will bring those library programs and links with your program. Students, now we will see the simulators. First, a code is tested for microcontroller unit or a system by simulating it on a host computer used for code development. Simulators try to model the behavior of complete microcontroller in a software. Students, ಸಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟರ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಸಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್. ಇದು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಬರೆದಿರೋ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸಲ ನೀವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇದೆನಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ಎರರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರು. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಬರೆದಿರೋ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ, ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲರ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಬಹುದು. Students, then we have a microcontroller starter kit. In the microcontroller starter kit, we have hardware board, evaluation board, in-system programmer, some software tools like compilers, assemblers, linkers, ಮತ್ತು sometimes an IDE and code size limit evaluation version of the compiler. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸು ಮೈಕ್ರೋಕಂಟ್ರೋಲರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟರ್ ಕಿಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Then we have a very important is emulator. Emulator ಅಂದರೆ ನೋಡಿ, an emulator is a hardware kit or a software program or both. ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ ಕಿಟ್ನೂ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ನೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಇರಬಹುದು. which emulates the function of one computer system in another computer, the different from first one, so that the emulated behavior closely resembles the behavior of the real system. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಸಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟರ್ ಥರನೇ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಎಮ್ಯುಲೇಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ಇದು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಥರ ಅದರ ಏನು ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಗೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಂತರ ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಬಹುದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್.